Hey there, beach enthusiasts! It's Erica, your trusty beach explorer, bringing you another thrilling adventure from the sandy shores of paradise. Today, I have something truly special in store for you. As I step onto the powdery sand, I'm immediately greeted by a breathtaking view. The beach stretches out before me, a picture-perfect paradise with crystal-clear waters and pristine white sand. It's a beach lover's dream come true. This beach is like no other. The vibrant turquoise waters invite you for a refreshing swim, while the gentle waves create a soothing soundtrack that instantly transports you to a state of pure relaxation. The sun shines down, casting a warm glow on everything it touches, creating a paradise bathed in golden light. As I walk along the shoreline, I can't help but be captivated by the natural beauty that surrounds me. Towering palm trees sway in the ocean breeze, their leaves creating a mesmerizing dance against the azure sky. It's a scene straight out of a postcard, a true tropical paradise. But what truly makes this beach special is its hidden gems. As I explore further, I discover hidden coves and secret spots tucked away from the main stretch of sand. These secluded areas offer a tranquil escape where you can unwind, read a book, or simply bask in the beauty of your surroundings. The beach is not just about sunbathing and swimming. It offers a playground for adventure enthusiasts as well. From snorkeling among vibrant coral reefs to paddleboarding along the shoreline, there's no shortage of thrilling activities to indulge in. Now, my fellow beach enthusiasts, if you're loving this virtual beach experience as much as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Join me on future beach expeditions as we explore more hidden gems and uncover the wonders of the world's most stunning coastlines. And of course, show some love by giving this video a thumbs up. Your support fuels my passion for sharing these incredible experiences with you and motivates me to continue bringing you the best of beach exploration. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable beach journey. Until next time, keep chasing the sun, riding the waves, and embracing the beauty of our natural world. This is Erica, signing off from this amazing beach. Stay beach-tastic, my friends.